Hello and welcome to FinextraTV. I'm Hannah Wallace and we're here at Money 2020 Europe in Amsterdam. With me now is Haytham Kaddoura, CEO of SmartStream Technologies. Haytham, good to see you again. Looking forward to catching up.
Same here, Hannah. It's been a year since our last meeting.
It has,
yeah.
And a lot can change within a year, and that's really where I want to start. So bring us up to date. What have been the big changes since we last caught up?
Oh, as always, it's been a phenomenal year. Whether it's on an greater economic scale or industry, and what was happening within what's happening with SmartStream itself. Of course, everybody's familiar with the changes in the economic situation in the US, with the failure of some of the financial institutions. That sort of helped us in terms of positioning some of our products, particularly on the cash stress testing, liquidity management, and what have you. The continuous regulatory push into the T+1 environment today is also working in our favor because we're there, right? We've worked with different institutions, different jurisdictions, different regulators all over the world, and you can tell how some of the regulators are on the forefront. So, for example, T+1 is not really new to us, although it's picking up new momentum in certain markets. It's some conventional markets have already been working on it. So we're there. We're helping to promote our products. Stress testing has always been a critical scenario. It had a major uptick, I guess, in Europe and Asia over the last 2-3 years. Now the trend is moving more increasingly towards the US, following the SVP and some of the other financial institutions issues. And really, I mean, today, if I was at the top of any financial institution, I want to have that peace of mind that we are not taking any unnecessary risks. We know how our payment flows are coming in, that they're going out on a timely basis, and that we're not getting exposed, right?
Sure.
And something like our stress testing solutions or our AI solutions allow really financial institutions to understand and run the scenarios. If a payment comes in today, how does it flow through our systems? If a client misses a payment, what are the actions that we need to do? And it gives really instantaneous, pretty much live understanding to treasurers and senior management on where we are, what are our exposures, what happens if this doesn't come in. Today we're making an announcement on our cash management solutions with AI capabilities. So, as always, it's been quite a busy year, very exciting, a lot of things happening.
Well, thank you very much for bringing us up to date. Like you say, you've definitely had your hands full, Haytham. So I'm interested to hear how your solutions tie in with those trends and those changes then, and what makes them so relevant today.
Oh, definitely. I mean, most of the regulatory pushes around the world today sort of come to work along our solution set, right? We work closely with regulators over the years, and we tend to cater our solutions way before things start getting a prerogative on institutions, right? So if you look at exception management, digital payments, the rise in digital payments, the rise in trading, the volumes, it's all things sort of we've been working with over the last 3, 4, 5 years, right? To allow our clients really to how do you crunch these massive mushrooming of data flows, of digital payment flows? How do you meet regulatory requirements in T+1 in terms of clearing and settlement on a timely basis? How do you ensure that the exceptions coming through the process, whether you're working with your trading counterparties as an institution, that there are no real breaks, that exceptions are handled instantaneously? This is no longer an excuse where you have to wait 3, 4, 5, or 7 days really to go back to your clients when they answer what happened to my payment, right?
Sure. Well, you've spoken about what you've been working on. I'm interested to hear what the future holds now, and touching on some of those announcements you're going to be making at Money 2020. So what does the future hold?
Oh, quite a bit as well. I think there's definitely a greater role for AI to be playing in addressing some of the industry challenges. I cannot fully reveal what we're doing, but it'll be game changing. We have a massive shift in our reconciliation platforms as well coming up, and the typical collateral management, corporate actions, cash management. I mean, we're introducing AI and machine learning in practically every single aspect of our solution sets. And that will help institutions like our clients to better manage risk and really better service their clients.
Yeah, it's such an exciting space, so much opportunity there as well. And I'm looking forward to catching up with you further down the line to hear about those changes. But thank you so much. I'll let you get back to the event.
Thank you, Hannah. Cheers. Take care.